Hi friends, today's lesson is from Module 1, Lesson 5. Our learning goal for today says that I can make groups of objects that belong together. Oh yeah, so I can take objects and figure out do they belong in this spot and put them where they do belong. All right, great. Can you help me with that today? Oh good, I'm so excited. Well, I need help because I am packing a lunch for my kiddo and I want to make sure I put the right things in his lunchbox. So here we go. I set out all the food on the shelf, and then there's his red lunchbox. So let's see. I like how you're already looking at all the different choices, and I bet you're thinking in your brain, would that go well in a lunch? Hmm. Yeah, because you have to think sometimes when you're sorting objects. Like, what does it look like? What does it do? Does it belong? And that's what we're practicing today. So let's go food by food and see what we're going to put in his lunchbox. All right, I know you're not supposed to start with dessert first, but I love a good popsicle, don't you? So, do you think I should put this popsicle in my son's lunchbox? Oh, some of you said yes, but some of you said no. Why did you say no? Don't you like popsicles? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't think a popsicle is going to last all the way to lunchtime, right? What's going to happen to it if it's in a hot lunchbox? Yeah, it's going to melt. So probably I should not, even though they're delicious, put that popsicle in there. Okay, it doesn't belong there. What about this one? What about the juice box? Could I put a juice box in his lunchbox? Yeah, totally. That way he has something to drink. All right, good. Now we're moving. Ooh, what about this delicious banana? Fruit is so healthy for you. Should I put a banana in his lunchbox? Yeah, bananas go well in a lunchbox. They belong there. Ooh, pineapple. Pineapple's delicious. It's also a fruit. Should I put that big old pineapple in his lunchbox? Why are you saying no to me? Oh, yeah. You can't fit a whole pineapple in a kiddo's lunchbox. I mean, if it was chopped up into little pieces, I could, and in a baggie, but the whole pineapple, that's going to be awfully hard to eat. So no, I don't think the pineapple belongs in a lunchbox. All right, I'll keep that on my shelf. What about this sandwich? Does a sandwich belong in a lunchbox? Yeah, for sure. I can put that sandwich in the lunchbox. All right, good. Well, thank you so much for helping me to remember or to figure out things that go in a lunchbox and that belong there and things that don't belong in a lunchbox. Let's do some more because you did a great job at that. All right. So on one side, I have a whole bunch of objects. I have pillows and popcorn, a blanket, a candy bar, and a ticket. Then I have two different locations over here. I have a movie theater and I have a bed. So what we're going to do is we're going to figure out what items or what objects belong in the different places. All right, so go ahead, put your finger on the pillows. Do you think a pillow belongs in a movie theater or on a bed? Go ahead and with your finger draw a line to where you think it's going to go. Yeah, pillows belong on a bed to make them even more cozy. Totally. Ooh, what about some delicious popcorn? Do you think you should be eating popcorn at a movie theater? Does it belong there or does it belong in your bed with you? What do you think? Yeah, I agree. I'm gonna put that in the movie theater. I do not want popcorn in my bed because what if I spill some? That would make for a crunchy night. No thanks. All right, let's see what else. Oh, go ahead and put your finger on the blanket. Draw a line. Where do you think that blanket belongs? Does it belong in a movie theater or does it belong on the bed? Yeah, that also belongs on a bed. Why would you put a blanket in the bed as opposed to the movie theater? Why did you choose the bed? Yeah, when we're in bed, we cover up with a blanket usually. Good job. Oh, another delicious treat. Candy bar. Yeah. Where do you think that candy bar is going to go? Put your finger on it and draw your imaginary line either to the movie theater or to the bed. Yeah, good idea. Oh, sorry. I skipped ahead. I didn't mean to. I moved the movie ticket first. Of course, the ticket's going to go to the movie theater. You don't need to buy a ticket to get to bed. And then we've already decided the chocolate bar is also going to go to the movie theater. All of those items belong there. They don't belong in bed. That would make it too messy, right? Hey, good job sorting those objects to places where they belong. Friends, our learning goal for today says, I can make groups of objects that belong together. And that's exactly what we practiced today. What I would like for you to do as your exit ticket, I want you to make a video or a drawing. You can do either one. You can either get a dry erase board and do a quick drawing, or you can just make a video and tell me what are two things that would belong at a school. So if I went to school, what are two things I might see there? For example, would I draw a picture of a zebra? No, I certainly would not find zebras at a school. That's not where they belong. So either make a video or a drawing and send that to me so I can see if you can put objects where they belong. All right, good luck, friends.